I found this clock at an estate sale, covered in dust, not working. Nobody wanted it. I saw something different. The case is solid mahogany, hand-carved, probably from the 1920s. The glass was cracked. The brass was tarnished black, but the bones were good. I opened the back, and there it was. The movement. All brass, all mechanical. No batteries, no circuits, just gears, springs, pins. 100 years old. The mainspring was broken, rusted in place. The escapement wheel had bent teeth. Someone had tried to fix it before. They made it worse. I disassembled everything, piece by piece, laid them out on a mat. 3 gears were seized. I soaked them in solvent for 2 days. Then the delicate work, polishing pivots, straightening teeth, oiling each jewel, reassembling in reverse order. Every gear had to mesh perfectly. The first test. I wound the mainspring. Nothing happened. I tapped the balance wheel. It started ticking. After 100 years of silence, this clock is alive again. And inside, just gears, springs, and a story nobody else wanted to hear.